In a feasibility project, just like for any other family on Revit, you can parametrize relations and proportions between building instances. Use references plans and equidistant dimension to define constraints, and assign global parameters to dimensions to create variables. Then your architectural concept is complete. G.Algo is now able to understand the variables and constraints of your concept. Once the building sketch is set up, you can generate variations of it. This is what the sliders command is for. To use it, go to the Architecture tab and click on Sliders. This panel displays all global parameters representing a length or an angle. Each parameter is represented by a slider. On the left, a minimum value, on the right, a maximum value, and on the top, the current value. All these values can be edited. Use the sliders to change your project inputs and see your project transform in real time. This process allows you to test, validate, and optimize your solutions. But as we believe in fairies, we decided that we're going to give you something more.